Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 8.8.4 and we are going to determine disk free space. So you are concerned that you may be getting low on disk space. You want to check and see if that assumption is correct. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab your task is to use the applicable command to view the current disk space in human readable form. To find the correct option, use man command, then answer the questions that follows. I guess that is all we need to do. So let us go ahead and in the absence of any other thing, I guess we'll go ahead and start lab. All right, so we'll wait for this lab to load. So in case you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. All right, so we wait for this to load. All right, so this has loaded successfully. We'll go ahead and open terminal. And the terminal has opened. We go ahead and type in, let's see, and we'll go ahead and type in df space -h. You press enter, and we'll go ahead and answer the question: how much space is used on for SDA2? That's going to be 2.9 gig. Yep. So how many space is still available on SDA2? So that is going to be 1.1 gig. What percentage of space is used on SDA1? That is going to be 52%. We'll go ahead and score lab. Thank you for watching. If you find this video to be helpful, also consider sharing this video on other educational platforms. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.